In a recent comment, Mimic said that one of the guns in my video was an airsoft gun. The short in question is called What's the Difference, where I show what's the difference between someone trying to break into my house versus someone who has broken into my house. But Mimic brings up a really good point. The gun in question is my FabArm STF 12 gauge shotgun. And as you can see, this is a real shotgun. I don't own any airsoft guns, and I always make sure they're unloaded when I'm shooting. Well, a video at least. But Mimic brings up a really good point. The airsoft guns have gotten so well engineered that they are virtually indistinguishable. I mean, at a glance, would you think this is real or airsoft? The only real way to tell is legally, airsoft guns have to have an orange tip, but that doesn't stop idiots from painting them. But the key that you need to know is, if you think it's a gun, it probably is. Make sure you stay safe out there.